How to appear offline on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your WhatsApp account appear online in just few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the drop down menu, simply tap on settings. And once you are in the settings section, simply tap on privacy. And this is where we will adjust a few settings to make you appear offline. Now here you can see the option labeled last seen and online, so simply tap on that. And under who can see my last seen, simply tap on nobody. So no one can see you when you were last active. Now after that, simply go back to the privacy section and here simply tap on status. Now under who can see my status updates, simply change it and tap on only share with. And after that you can simply go back to the privacy section again and here you can see the option labeled read recipients. So you can simply toggle it off. And that's it. With these settings, no one will be able to see you when you are online, when you were last active, or if you have read their message. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.